am going to speak about National Unity Day. It is celebrated as birth anniversary of the Ironman of India, Sardhar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is one of the founding leaders of the Republic of India. This year marked the 145th birth anniversary of Sardhar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was India's first Deputy Prime Minister. He played a major role in presenting over 500 princely states to accede to the independent India Union. He integrated all princely states into the newly independent India. National Unity Day was introduced by the government in 2014. National Unity Day was inaugurated by our PM Narendra Modi by paying floral tributes at the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and flagging of a program known as Run for Unity. On this day, different types of cultural programs are organized to convey the importance of national unity to all citizens of India. The main reason for celebrating this day is to promote the idea of unity among the people in India. Jai Hind. Thank you.